Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sai. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, messages for you and what's going on. Under the deck, Justice, Hierophant, Five of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. I think you are suffering in silence, Capricorn. You are feeling stuck. I think there are some commitment issues or stability issues between you and your person. And someone is coming back for second chances. And for some, you decided to cut off this person from your life. Yes, because there is no balance. There is no equal give and take in this relationship. That's why you want to cut off this person from your life. There is no clarity. That's why you're feeling stuck. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. In recent past, there was a communication between you and your person, especially about equal give and take. I think they're treating you as an option. Yeah. For some, they are breadcrumbing you. Yes. So there was some communication, but things were not well between you and your person. Then present, Page of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. Lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you on social media. But your focus is on your money, on your financial stability, because Eight of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. You are working hard to achieving your goals. Yes, your total concentration is on your money, on your finances. But some spying is going. Then future, Three of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, for some in future there will be separation. For some you're already in separation with your person. You are holding back. You are not opening up to anybody, especially emotionally. And Queen of Pentacles is here. So your total focus is on your abundance, on your financial stability. Because after breakup, your total focus is on your money, on your stability. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of earth energy and air energy is here. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the World, the Moon, Six of Swords, and King of Wands. I think there are some illusions between you and your person, some arguments. Some cycles are going to be end, for some already ended, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions. Feelings and intentions. Under the deck, the Magician, Five of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Knight of Swords. Again, there is some communication is coming because they keep tabs on you. They keep putting tabs on you. And Ten of Cups, I think they want a happy family with you. And for some, your person is already married, having kids. But lot of issues maybe in past. They cheated on you, third party involved in this connection. For some, your person may be manipulator. For some, they are manifesting you. So let's see their current feelings. Hierophant, Nine of Cups and Three of Pentacles. So now they are thinking about equal give and take. They're thinking about partnership with you. And they're thinking about marriage. And they're wishing for this connection because Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. They're wishing to be with you. Then their intentions, Page of Swords, the Tower and Queen of Swords. So yeah, they are spying on you. Definitely this spying is about your person. Right now they're going through a tower moment. Even though they are not talking with you, but they're not showing their feelings, but they are spying you a lot. They are watching you. They are wondering about you a lot. Yes, they're missing you. That's why they want to communicate with you. So in action wise, they are watching you. That's all. But for some, you will receive some text, random message or text from your person end. So let's put some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Three of Wands. Yeah. They are waiting. Some waiting game is going between you and your person. And for some, lots of your third party involved in this connection. But they are thinking about you a lot. And they're very, very attracted to you. They want passionate new beginnings with you. And they're still waiting for you. Yes. They're still waiting for you. And they want passionate new beginnings. For some, maybe they are just watching you but not making any move. For some, not for all. Because they have ego problem also for some. I think you also thinking about them a lot and you want clarity from their side because there is no clarity in this connection. You want clarity. You also thinking about them a lot. Yes, you are very, very tired. You are fed up with waiting, Capricorn. I think you both are on the same page. Empress energy. You both are very powerful and independent persons. So you are also fed up with waiting. But still there is waiting game is going. So let's see mutual energies. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, again. Six of Swords with the Magicians. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. According to me, it's your person. That's why you are on your power. You are waiting for their move, but not making any move. You're just waiting. You want clarity, but it is not coming right now. They are spying you. They still. I think you both are waiting on each other. See, for some, definitely this person may be manipulator because Seven of Swords. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. Trust issues, lot of trust issues between you and your person. Clarification. Yeah, there is love, but at the same time, there are some trust issues. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Second chance. Passion. Yes, lot of passion. And I'm feeling sad without you. I will never forget you. So the messages are I will never forget you. Second chance, passion, and I'm feeling sad without you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn. It's your card and it's your reading. So if you are doing consistent hard work towards your work, definitely you are getting your results because your hard work is paying off and the answers you need are coming. Full Moon in Gemini energy. So if you are searching for answers for your questions, so this is the message. So the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.